Samsung unveils Galaxy S24 series, revolutionizing mobile experience with AI power, launch event January 17th. Get ready for a game-changing announcement from Samsung set to redefine the smartphone experience. On January 17th, at a highly anticipated conference in San Jose, California, Samsung will introduce its latest Galaxy S24 series, promising a revolutionary leap in mobile technology with the integration of cutting-edge AI capabilities. As the formidable rival to Apple, Samsung's dominance in the global smartphone market stands at 20%, a formidable figure pitted against Apple's 16%, as reported by Counterpoint Research. However, in the US market, Samsung holds a 25% share, trailing Apple's commanding 53%. To further solidify its position and entice a broader audience, Samsung aims to introduce exclusive features that will distinguish its devices from the iPhone, potentially luring more users into the Samsung ecosystem. Teasing an all-new mobile experience powered by AI, Samsung has left enthusiasts guessing about the specifics. However, insights from industry developments by tech giants like Qualcomm and Google hint at the direction Samsung might take. Leveraging Qualcomm Snapdragon Series 8 Gen 3 for Android phones, a move Samsung traditionally embraces, the forthcoming Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra could mark the debut of this cutting-edge chipset, known for its AI prowess. Qualcomm's groundbreaking Snapdragon chips, unveiled in October, boast the capability to execute AI applications directly on the device, facilitating the operation of AI-driven functions even without an internet connection. This development opens doors for on-device AI functionalities like AI chatbots, ensuring more secure and private interactions without constantly relying on cloud-based servers. Beyond mere chatbots, Qualcomm's chip demonstrations showcase the ability to generate visual content based on textual inputs, a feature also seen in Google's Tensor G3 chip utilized in the Pixel 8 Pro. Notably, the Pixel 8 Pro integrates Google's Gemini Nano AI model, empowering users to effortlessly generate text message replies, transcribe conversations, and tap into AI enhancements for image and video editing. The imminent release of Samsung's Galaxy S24 series heralds a new era in smartphone innovation, where AI prowess seamlessly integrates into our daily mobile experiences, promising enhanced privacy, intuitive functionalities, and unparalleled user engagement.